Hello everyone, this side Divya Sharma from BBA Semester 6. Today we'll discuss the topic Corporate Social Responsibility from International Business Management. Now, what is corporate social responsibility? It's an obligation beyond that required by law and economics for a company to pursue long-term goals that are good for society. The main aim of CSR is to embrace responsibility for corporate actions and to encourage a positive impact on the environment and stakeholders, including consumers, employees, investors, community, and others. What actually CSR is? It resembles sustainability, corporate responsibility, triple bottom line, responsible investment, responsible business, etc. Now, what are the 6 reasons that companies should embrace CSR? Firstly, innovation, cost savings, brand differentiation, long term thinking, customer engagement, and employee engagement. Now, CSR activities of Indian companies. Firstly, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is one of the leading beverage companies of country, offering its consumer a wide range of beverages. The Coca-Cola Foundation, a subsidiary of the company, was launched in 2007 and is dedicated to building sustainable communities across the country. Second is Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra is an Indian multinational car manufacturing company that was established in 1945 as Mohammed and Mahindra. It has presence in more than 100 countries and is employing over 240,000 people currently. The third one, Infosys. Infosys is a global leader in next generation technology, services, and consulting that is currently headquarters in Bangalore. The foundation is devoted to the cause of the destitute, the rural poor, the mentally challenged, and the economically backward sections of the country. Conclusion: CSR can play a vital role in detecting how business impacts labor conditions, local communities and economies, environmental issues, etc. Effective CR policies and strategies based on socio-economic sustainable development principles must foster ownership and local involvement, clearly demonstrating commitment of the investor to partner with the communities in which business is conducted. Thank you.